Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints, and we have a beautiful and unique color to show you guys today. And it's not one of the normal. We're not doing a blue, we're not doing a metallic gray or a matte black. We have a stunning metallic brown for you guys today. We're using the chocolate or true metallic on the Audi RS7. I have a funny feeling this one's going to be a showstopper. Enjoy the video. So we finished up with the chocolate or RS7. It's not behind me, we've got it outside. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. We've already pulled in the next car that we're going to spray, and that's already in the bay. It's my E63 wagon. So the chocolate ore was super easy to spray. I mean, the gunmetal grade base coats go on super simple. The chocolate ore has excellent coverage, goes right back on top. This is a gorgeous color, and it's very unique, very different. If you're looking for a color that's a little bit off the beaten path, but it's going to look super sweet in person, chocolate ore is definitely it. If you want to spray your car in chocolate ore, super simple. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the chocolate ore car kits. It includes everything you need to spray the car, including the sprayers, the gallons, and the accessories. If you have any questions, email CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Call in during business hours or chat with us directly on the website. It's Fonzie. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go outside and check out the car. I'll see you on the next one.